Locked in the back of the car, 9 years old, you don't know where you are, and your head's on the window, your eyes are just blurred. There's a voice in the front and a hush on the road. You're a passenger, and your mind is traveling on. Open your eyes and you're 9 years older, hands on the wheel and you're 18 on over, to lie with your first love. You can't wait to see her. You borrowed the car and you think you're the driver, but now you're a passenger to your own heart, and it takes you traveling on. When that morning broke and the sky fell down, it went black as night and the wind blew round and stole your directions. You lost your way home and you felt like a passenger left by the road. Well, I'll tell you the reason you couldn't get home, 'cause it's nowhere you've been and it's nowhere you've gone. Home is only a feeling you get in your mind from the people you love and you travel beside. You may feel like a passenger, now you're the driver. You've got to go traveling on, as if you break down. It's a cold, hard shoulder, so fuel up your mind and fire up your heart and drive on. Drive on, and when your days are darker, put your foot down harder. Drive on, drive on. And it's 9 more years you've been driving now, but tonight you're stumbling through your old town. You met up with a school friend who's still just the same, and you talked all the same shit you talked in those days. And now you're drunk and you're sad for the old times passing you by. Well, there's no rewind, so you might as well play while your time is rolling away. You get back on the road, it's a beautiful day. Pick up all the friends you can find on your way, and if you lose direction, they'll be there guiding you on, guiding you on, 'cause we're all